Perfect beach.
So me and a couple of my new friends from the hostel just drove an hour and a half to Kuta, Lombok, and now we're at Tanjung Aan Beach. It's inside a bay and it is beautiful. So on this tiny peninsula we have a 360-degree view. It's beautiful and amazing. Now we're going to Bukit Merese, or Merese Hills. It's right next to Tanjung Aan, and I've heard great things about this place.
I love this beach. Check it out. Oh man, I sink right down in. This could be quicksand. Hold on. Yet to be determined. Okay, I think I'm safe. Only our footprints are here right now. The tide washes them all at the end of the day, and we're the only ones here to make new ones. This place is amazing. Run, little crabs.
Hello.
Now the fun begins.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's the right way.
As long as it gets us to where we're going.
Holy cow. I'm always scared we'll get stuck in the mud.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing this, but if it gets us there. Two straight days on long motorbike rides. I think it's time for a massage. It's a beautiful morning in Senggigi, Lombok. That means it's not raining. So today I think I'm gonna take it a little easier, stick closer to the hostel. So I'm gonna go to the beach here.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I
Met a friend who lives here. She's gonna take me to, I don't know where. She might kidnap me. Let's see. Got a flat tire on the way, so we're here to fix it. Good thing there's never a tire shop too far away if you ever break down. Why is there a fire again? I don't know. So the fire is for melting the patch onto the inner tube. So lazy. Like, new version of hands-free. So I'm back at the ghost villa, but here I'm at a level that I didn't even know about the first time. Almost like a secret place with great graffiti. Check this out. See these monkeys over here? She thinks it's hilarious to call them by my name. Rain again. I think I've said it before, but I'll say it again. Meeting and getting to know the locals is one of the best ways to get to know a place, because they can either take you somewhere or give you suggestions, or just become a new friend. Yenny had to go to work, and there's not too much daylight left, but I think I'm gonna go explore the north part of the island, see how far I get. So the north side of the island definitely gets a lot more rain than the other parts. So I think it's time to go back. I'm soaked enough as it is. Didn't come this way to see anything specific. This time it was more about the journey than the destination. Now this view is worth stopping for. So that was pretty much 5 straight hours on a motorbike. A little too much in my opinion. I actually think I'm going to go get another massage. Bye! Okay, I'm having a little freak out moment right here. This is where I parked my bike and now it's gone. I'm not sure what to do.